Hey people! Welcome back to our channel. It's me, your bearded bro, Kevin, back with another video. Today we'll be unboxing one of the cutest Funko Pops you will ever see, if not the absolute cutest Funko Pop ever. And hindi siya yun. And if you want to see what I'm talking about, then stay tuned. So guys, before we get to unboxing this Funko Pop, let's just go into a little bit of backstory. So last December or November 2019, before the premiere of Star Wars Rise of the Skywalker, Disney Plus released another Star Wars property directed by Jon Favreau and starring Pedro Pascal, and this particular Funko Pop we're gonna unbox today. So this show is The Mandalorian, and if you've given up on the Star Wars cinematic universe, then this show is probably gonna make you rethink how you see the franchise, because it's definitely one of the most Star Warsy property out there at the moment. So now back to the main topic, and you probably guessed who we're talking about. We're gonna unbox Baby Yoda, aka the child from The Mandalorian. And it's actually the 10-inch Funko Pop version, and although I think it's a little bit bigger than 10 inches, because I put it side by side with the 10-inch Deadpool and it seems a bit bigger. So let's open it up so you can see what I'm talking about. Yan. So here we have the unboxed Baby Yoda, and first off, it's just super cute. And ever since, after watching The Mandalorian, talagang we've been looking for any sort of Baby Yoda merchandise out there, and this, I think, by far is the best one. So Hasbro has an animatronic version, and it looks like the real Baby Yoda, but I kind of think this one looks better. I don't know. It's probably just my personal preference. So what do you guys think? What is the best Baby Yoda merchandise out there? This is definitely on top of my list. So first off, the sculpt of Baby Yoda looks super amazing. I feel like I have Baby Yoda right here. And he's using his tiny force powers. So Baby Yoda looks a bit bigger than other 10-inch figures. And to show you what I mean, here's the other 10-inch figure I have, which is Deadpool. And he kind of looks bigger than Deadpool. I don't know, maybe it's just the ears, maybe it's because he has a stand, but yeah, it definitely looks a bit bigger. And yeah, it looks like Baby Yoda, and it's so just super amazing. I love it. So if you don't like Funko Pops but you love The Mandalorian, this, I think, definitely is still a must-have, because it just looks effing awesome. And you know, although something that saddens me is the pre-orders for The Mandalorian Funko Pops sold out so fast. So this is actually the first one I have from the series, because The Mandalorian himself, I didn't get a chance to pre-order it, or it sold out before I could, and yeah, that just sucks a bit. But yeah, I think Baby Yoda is still worth the purchase. So with that said, we also bought the small version of Baby Yoda, and here he is. And yeah, it looks exactly the same, only smaller. But one thing I have to say about this one, when I unboxed it, the head looks a bit springy, than the big one. So definitely, well, I'm not sure if it's just for this particular pop, because we bought two of these and I didn't open the other one because, yeah, because when you dislodge it from the plastic case inside, the spring makes his neck pop out and it just looks weird. So it's a lot cuter like this in the box. But yeah, so definitely if you had to choose just one of these products, I would probably go with the big Baby Yoda, because again, he just looks so awesome and you feel like you have Baby Yoda right beside you. You can put him next to your bedroom and he looks like he's using his healing powers or whatever, force powers of cuteness to do whatever he likes, because he's Baby Yoda. So here's the unboxed version of the small Baby Yoda, and again, what I'm talking about is the springy neck. Looks kind of weird like that, so yeah, I'm probably gonna keep this inside the box. And yeah, it just has a slightly different stand than the big one. And yeah, that's basically the difference, apart from the size of course, but yeah, they look super cute. So for the size reference of how big Baby Yoda is, we have Lemony to show us how big exactly Baby Yoda is. And as you can see, well, she's standing right now, but if she's sitting down, they're almost the same size. So Baby Yoda is almost as big as your small dog if you have a small dog. So to sum it all up, I think Baby Yoda So to sum it all up, peeps, I think Baby Yoda is definitely one of the best Funko Pops ever made, and he is a must-have for any Star Wars collector. I think so. So what do you think, guys? Please comment down below which Funko Pop you think would be cuter than Baby Yoda. Of course, whatever you comment down below would probably be wrong, because just look at this thing. He's so cute. So guys, there you have it. That was our unboxing of Baby Yoda. And since we bought two of the small ones, what do you guys think? Should we give this one away? Comment down below, and if we get a ton of comments saying that we should, then we probably would give it away in one of our next videos. So with that said, guys, let me just promote our Facebook page is up and running. So we'll link it down below so you can check it out. Check out some of the news we will put up or whatever. If we ever plan or if we ever give this away, we'll probably do a post as well in our Facebook page. So do check it out. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and that notification bell so you'll be notified of our next videos. And once again, it's me, your bearded bro, Kevin, signing off.